everyone! Our lesson for today is about cube of a binomial. So, cube of a binomial, pag nakakita lang tayo ng exponent na cube, ang utak natin ay natotorete na. Kasi iniisip natin na ito ay mahaba. But, we have the shortcut way. So, etong dalawa ay pareho lang ang step. Magkaiba lang, syempre, kasi magkaiba lang ang sign. So, ang step, first, cube the first term. Second step, trice the product of the square of the first term times the second term, plus trice the product of the first term times the square of the second term, plus cube of the last term. The same step with negative sign. Of course, kung negative siya, magkakaroon din tayo ng negative na sign sa ating sagot. So, kung negative ang ating given, then the second term and the last term will be negative in our final answer. So, para maunawaan natin, bibigyan ko kayo ng halimbawa. So, we have here x minus 6 cube. Okay? So, first step, cube the first. Plus, trice the product of the first term, square of the first term, times the second term, plus trice the product of the first term, which is x, times the square of the second term, negative 6 squared, plus cube of the second term, which is negative 6 cubed. Okay, then simplify. So we have x cubed. Next, sign muna tayo. So in here, since meron tayong mga exponent, then we need to apply the PEMDAS or the, what you call this one? Parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So in here, so always start with the signs. So positive times negative is negative. 6 times 3, 18. And then copy x squared. X dito plus 3 times x, 3x. And then multiplied with squared. So, exponent siya. So, kung ang base natin ay negative and ang exponent natin ay even number, then the base is always positive. So, 6 times 6, 36 na tayo. And then, again, kung ang base natin ay negative, ang exponent natin ay odd numbers, then the sign is always negative. I'll repeat. Kung ang base natin ay negative, ang exponent ay even number, then the answer is always positive. But if the base is negative and the exponent is odd numbers, the sign is always negative. So 6 times 6, 36, times 6, so 6 times 6, 36, carry 3, 6 times 3, 18, plus 3, 21. So we have 260. Okay, next. Simplify. We have x cubed minus 18x squared plus, okay, 36 times 3, 6 times 3, 18, 3 times 3, 9, plus 1, 10. So we have 108. So 108x minus 260. So, the cube of x minus 6 is equal to x cubed minus 18x squared plus 108x minus 260. Okay, so ganyan lang kadali guys. So, para maunawaan pa ninyo, bibigyan ko pa kayo ng isa pang halimbawa. So, how about 2x squared plus y. Okay, so let's proceed. Follow the same step. Cube the first term. So, kopyahin si first term, 2x squared cube plus Trice squared ang first term, 2x squared squared multiplied by the second term, y, plus Trice the first term, which is 2x squared multiplied by the square of the second term, plus cube of the last term. Next. So, again, ang rules ng exponent, law of exponent, pag may exponent outside the parentheses, imumultiply natin ang exponent na nasa labas sa lahat ng nasa loob. So, kung walang nakasulat na exponent, ibig sabihin 1 ang exponent niya. So, 2, copy yung base, multiply 3 times 1 is 3. Next, copy base x. So, 3 times 2, 6. Next, so dito, naka-exponent siya. So, huwag muna natin yung gagalawin. Pwedeng ito at saka yan muna. So, 3 times y is 3y. Multiplied by distributive, parang dito. So, kung ano yung lahat ng nasa loob, imumultiply natin ang exponent na nasa labas. So, 2, copy. So, 2 times 1 is 2. Then x, 2 times 2. Next, 3, this 1. Ito naka-squared siya. Dito muna tayo. See, 3 times 2 is 6x squared multiplied by y squared plus y cubed. Next, 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. Meaning to say, 2 cubed is equal to 8. X to the 6 plus 3y. 2 squared is equal to 4. X to the 4th plus 6x squared y squared plus y cubed. Next, 8 x6 plus 3 times 4, 12 x to the 4th y plus 6x squared y squared plus y cubed. Okay, so the cube of 2x squared plus y is equal to 8x6 plus 12x to the 4th y plus 6x squared y squared plus y cubed. Okay, so ganyan lang po ang pagkuha ng cube ng isang binomial. Ulitin natin ang step. Cube the first term plus Trice the square of the first term times the second term plus Trice the first term times the square of the second term plus cube of the last term. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang at maraming salamat sa panonood. I hope that you learned something from this video. Bye and keep safe.